Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a bet on Fanduel. Really easy and simple. For example, if you're on the desktop site, click on your profile icon right here, and then click on My Bets. So once you have reached the My Bets page, you want to simply locate the wager you wish to cancel, and then just select this option right here, Cancel Bet. Okay, this will be located at the right hand side of your active wager. Just click on cancel bet and they'll ask you to confirm the cancellation. Just go ahead and click yes to confirm and finalize your wager cancellation. And it's really that easy and simple, and it's not guaranteed to cancel wagers. You can only do wagers that have not actually started, or you have to check what conditions that have to be met. But otherwise, really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.